With Lincoln Electric, get the right tool for the job every time. The Eagle 10,000 Plus puts the power in your hands, literally. Built for construction contractors, maintenance crews, farmers, and ranchers, this behemoth of a machine can tackle everything you throw at it without breaking a sweat. With its 10,500 watts surge and 9,000 watts continuous AC generator power, it's perfect for everything from power outages to motor starting or powering a mobile workspace, no matter where the job takes you. So what was that about welding? Alongside the endless possibilities of having a portable generator at your side, the Eagle 10,000 Plus also offers up to 225 amps of smooth DC arc welding output. Perfect for welding with a broad range of stick electrodes on a variety of thick and thin metals. It's also capable of MIG and flux cord welding or basic TIG welding in constant current mode. From a single, full-range calibrated welding dial, just hone in on the ideal amperage for your repair, maintenance, or fabrication project, and bam, you're ready to weld. And it comes with a ground clamp and electrode holder with cables, designed with comfort in mind. Need to multitask? No problem. The Eagle 10,000 Plus can weld at 145 amps with 3,950 watts to spare to keep everything going. And with built-in circuit protection on all outlets, you can plug in and charge up, no worries. Mount it to your truck or trailer with convenient front or rear holes in the base, or pick up our all-terrain undercarriage to lug this baby around the job site as needed. Built to last even in the toughest conditions, there's nowhere this Eagle can't soar. When you need power at your fingertips for the task at hand, no matter where that is, trust the Eagle 10,000 Plus.